Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the basic introduction of logic gates and the universal gates. So first of all, we are going to discuss 5 logic gates which are AND, NAND, OR, NOR and NOT. So NOT is the simplest gate. So first of all, I am going to discuss AND gate. So from the truth table of AND gate, we can see if any of its input is 0, then output is 0. If both inputs are 1, then output is 1. So we can also see by running our circuit. So such as if any of 1 is 0, then output is 0. If both are 1, then output is 1. Such as if both are 1, now you can see both inputs are 1, so output is 1. If any of 1 is 0, then output is 0. And if both are 0, then output is also 0. So now I am going to discuss the reverse condition of this gate, which is NAND gate. So in NAND gate, if both are 1, then output is 0. If otherwise output is high, because it is the reverse condition of AND gate. So I can run this circuit and it shows if both are 0, then output is 1. If 1 is 0, 1 is 1. If in this case also output is 1. If both are 1, then output is 0, because this is the reverse condition of NAND gate. We can also implement this circuit by connecting NOT gate in front of AND gate. So now I am going to discuss the OR gate. In this gate, we can see if any of its input is 1, then output is 1. If any of its input is 1, then output is 1. If both inputs are 0, then output is 0. It is the simplest case. So now you can see in this circuit, if both inputs are 0, then output is 0. If any of its input is 1, then output is 1. So we can see if I am applying 1 on this input, then output is 1. If I am applying 1 on this input, then also output is 1. If both inputs are 0, then only on in this case output is 0. Otherwise output is 1. So we are now we are going to discuss the reverse condition of this gate, which is NOR gate. So in this gate we can see if both inputs are 0, then only on output is 1. If any of 1 is 1, then output is 0, because this is the reverse case of OR gate. Such as in OR gates, we can see if both inputs are 0, then output is 0, only on this case. And in this reverse case of NOR gate, we can see if both inputs are 0, then output is 1, because this is the reverse case of OR gate. So now we are going to discuss the simplest gate, which is NOT gate. So this is the simplest case of NOT gate. NOT gate means if I am applying 1 on input, then I will get 0 on output, because NOT gate gives us output by converting our input. I am applying 1 on input, then I will get 0 on output. If I am applying 0 on input, then output is 1. So we are constructing these basic logic gates on the basis of their circuit by using RTR resistor transistor circuit based. So now I am going to discuss universal gate, which is XOR and XNOR. So XOR circuit is almost like XOR circuit is almost like basic logic gate circuit. Here we also use 2 resistors. In this case, if both inputs are same, then output is 0. If both inputs are different, then output is 1. We can also check this by running our circuit. So if I am applying 1 on this and 0 on this, because input are different, then output is 1. If inputs are same, such as I am applying 0 on this and 0 on this, then output is 0. If I am applying 1 on this and 1 on this, then output is 0, because these inputs are same. If I am going to discuss the reverse case of XOR gate, which is XNOR gate. In this circuit, we are using this R12 resistor, which is feedback resistor, which plays a role of feedback resistor. So in this case, if I am applying same input, then I will get 1 output. If I am applying different input, then I will get 0 output. Such as you can see I'm applying 1 and 1 on input, and I am getting 1 output. If I'm applying 1 on this and 0 on this, then the input is different, so output is 0. So these are the basic logic gates and the universal gates. So that's all from my side. Jazakallah.